Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Girls Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So guys, today I've come up with another very interesting video. I loved shooting this one. I hope you enjoyed it too and you learned something new today. As you guys know, I love experimenting with saris. So in this one, I'm going to try Dhoti Saree, but with a little twist. So this is going to be the final look. If you guys are interested, stay tuned and let's jump right into the video.
So guys, I'm going to use this sari. I borrowed this one from a friend. I opted for a cotton khadi sari. If you want, you can opt flowy material for the slimmer look. Keep the pallu side on your right hand side and leave around 1.5 meter on your left. And make a knot in the center. Then take a fabric on your left hand side and bring it back under your left leg. And then make thin pleats. Once pleats are done, tuck it in the middle of your back. Now similarly, bring the fabric on your right to the back under your right leg and then make small pleats. Then I'm going to tuck it and hide it under the fabric from the left hand side. So the remaining fabric is going to be your pallu.
So guys, our dhoti saree is almost ready. I'm gonna quickly go and add a little twist to this look. I'm wearing my black kurti.
And then I'm going to simply place the pallu on my shoulder as if I'm wearing some dupatta. Then to keep everything in place and to add little glamour, I'm going to wear my waist belt. And this is the final look, guys. So if you want to wear dhoti salwar and you don't have it, don't worry about it. Because now you know how quickly you can create this dhoti look from sari or any other fabric.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you liked this look. If you did, please give this a big thumbs up, share your feedback in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till the time, keep smiling and be the desi girl.